Alright, so I got my drone drop box, and it's right here, somewhere around here. Here it is. Okay, so here's my drone drop box, and what came inside of it was these Max Comfort goggles from Newbie Drone, which was very strategic on their part because I needed some. So I'm very thankful. I got these 5.1 by 4.1 by 3 props, which unfortunately I can't use because my drone won't fit them. I use 5-inch props. I won't fit a 5.1. This is a glass GoPro thingy that is for, I guess, it's just another glass for your GoPro. Okay. This is my old. I already had gone through this box and got the Max Comfort out. This is a strap, a Newbie Drone strap that came with it, and this strap is really nice. Has a little bit of grippy in it. This is a nice strap, guys. Super quality. This is a strap that didn't come with it. Somehow ended up in that box. But this came with it. This is the Newbie Drone neck strap. These are freaking awesome. Absolutely ridiculously good. These are great. This is the bulk of it. This is the Typhoon 4-in-1 S Racer ESC 30 amp. This thing is pretty damn sweet, and I can't wait to try it out once I get a frame and all the other shit that is involved in this crazy hobby. This is the sticker pack. Use code Halloween18 for 5% off. Super Tech stickers. Drone drop. Was this worth it? I think so. We're talking 50, maybe like $10 for the goggles. This is 50 to $40 right there. Another, $6 for the lanyard. If I could use these props, it'd be worth about $10. And then the strap, I'd say about, another $4. And then this lens here, I think this is going to be pretty valuable later if I ever break mine. But this could be worth about $15. So I think I got about $80 worth of stuff for $40. So all in all, I mean, all I need to happen is for this. If this ESC is great, and it's an all-in-one, which some people would be like, if one breaks, then it's fucked. But anyways, if this thing's good, and I get some motors in my next drone drop, you're looking at a pretty happy guy. So if I get motors and ESCs, and then all I have to purchase is the flight controller or whatever, that's pretty awesome. So for $80, getting at least $100 worth of stuff. I like it, guys. I'm gonna have to recommend Drone Drop to everyone if you want the hardware stuff. This is quality crap here. So there's gonna be a link on how to get a drone drop for yourself. Go ahead and hit that link. If this is the video that inspired you to get it, hit that link. You're gonna go ahead and get drone drop. I get commission for it. Everyone's happy. So yeah. I'm going to show you next month's drone drop anyway, and probably keep on getting drone drops. Honestly, this is really cool. So, like I said, I had already installed my Max Comfort grippies from Newbie Drone, and it made a world of a difference. So, like I said, they really did me solid here. They gave me two things that I really needed, which was the inspiration to create another 5-inch drone with those ESCs, and these nice grippy goggle face lovers. So, yeah, click subscribe, please. I'm going to be coming out with more videos soon. ET phone drones, metal. What's up? Late.